Welcome to the Randall Library Guide to Finding Books by Call Number. Most academic libraries organize their print book collections using the Library of Congress classification system. In short, the Library of Congress classification system is an alphanumeric system designed to shelve similar items together for ease of research. For example, let's search the Randall Library online catalog for The Trial by Franz Kafka. As you can see from this search, Randall Library owns 2 copies of this edition. One copy is currently checked out, and the other should be available. The Library of Congress call number for this book is here, PT 2621.A26 P713 1956. You can write down the call number, take a picture of the computer screen with your phone, or you can select the Send to Text option to text yourself the call number. You can also select Find It for a map of Randall Library. Find the area of the library you need, highlighted in red. Once you are there, it's time to put your call number to work. Again, print materials are shelved using the Library of Congress alphanumeric system. You will typically find this information on the spine of each item on the shelf. Call numbers are read line by line, from left to right, from top to bottom. Start with the first letter of the call number, P. It so happens the P call number area is one of the largest and contains much of the literature collection. Move past PA, PB, PC, and so on until you reach PT. You will see that as you move down the shelves, you will read each shelf from left to right and from top to bottom before you move on to the next range of books. Again, once you've arrived at PT, you will start looking at the first group of numbers. This first group of numbers is treated as a whole number, so you're going to move past the PT20s, past the PT200s, to the PT2000s. Once you see PT2621, you can scan down the shelf looking for the next piece of the call number, point A26. See that dot before the A? That tells you the next group of numbers should be treated as a decimal. Simply stated, you will see point A1, then point A2, then point A3. Since we are looking for point A26, it will be between point A2 and point A3. Once you've found point A26, move down the call number to find P713, and lastly the publication date, 1956. Congratulations! You found the Kafka book you were looking for at PT 2621.A26 P713 1956. And since we shelve like items together, you've also found other books written by Franz Kafka and books about Kafka, including biographies and literary criticism. As always, if you ever need help finding an item, ask a librarian or contact us at library.uncw.edu/ask.